Welcome to a movement of the parts channel. Well, answering two questions that you have left me. How many kilometers should it be to change a dual mass, and if at the same time the dual mass is changed, A. New clutch disc is fitted? Well, responding to the first question, let's see. There are no preset kilometers. When do you change the dual mass? Normally, when we observe that it begins to fail, I will leave you a link to a video I made. Of the main symptoms of failure of the dual mass, there are times that when you are going to change a clutch disc, and you notice that the DMM does not yet have these symptoms, but it is on the last legs and soon it will fall, then what is done to it? The owner is notified and you tell him that this within. You are going to have to change the dual mass a little bit and you are going to have to spend money on labor again to release the gearbox and so on, and then there it is convenient to change it, because there are people who say, well, when it falls in sometimes in less than 1,000 kilometers falls and you have to change the biomass and another gas also of the clutch disc. Well, when the dual mass is changed, as I say, the clutch disc is always changed. Why? I will explain. First, because the clutch disc, if you use one, although it is little use, it has already caught, let's say, the vice of the dual mass, which was in poor condition, that is, the deformities that this dual mass has. Okay, and then, apart. Another thing is because the most expensive thing to change a clutch is the labor, then, is already used to put a new clutch disc. Well, here you have the video. I hope it has clarified any doubts, and well, if so, then do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel.